Hi, everybody. It's Lori Zachary, and we're going to revisit doing a tiered sale. I feel like I left something out that made it be confusing, so I'm going to clear that up now. And hopefully, by the time we get through this little touch up, it will all make sense to you. And again, you can always craft your own sale and how you're going to do this. This is just the way that I do it, but it wasn't real clear in my video, and sometimes going live and spontaneous is that way. So the first thing we do, every single day, I make offers to likers. I do it at the same time every day. I don't do it too early in the morning. I don't do it too late at night. My hope is they'll get the notification on Poshmark or from Poshmark and look at the offer. At the very least, that I don't get buried underneath a ton of different notifications. Okay, I do 15% off and a $4.99 shipping discount. That's just what I do. You do what you want to do. But the reason I do the 15% is because you always have to take it down 10% more and 10% more for them to see the offers again. So later on my every other week sale that I'm getting ready to tell you about, it goes down to 25%. So I've met that 10% goal that I have to meet. So that's why I do a 15% off, and the $4.99 is the best shipping. So I'm giving them kind of a little discount with good shipping. Okay, so the second thing that I do is I do my tiered sale. My tiered sale I do only every 2 weeks. I personally do it on a Friday. There's a lot of people that do this on Thursday as well, and some on Sunday, and it seems like it works well for kind of like all of us doing it like this, period. But those are the days that it's been done, and I choose to do it on Friday. So what I'm doing on my tiered sale is I'm going to try to cast my net and catch as many buyers as possible. And so that's why we do it every 2 weeks. If you do this too much, then it would get, you're going to see less results. You need to be able to have more fish in that pond to cast your net on. I hope that's not too silly to say, but I'm just trying to say it in a real simple way to where it makes sense. You want to have as many likers as possible. So this is where I didn't make myself very clear at all. The Thursday before my Friday 25% off sale, you know how I told you to make daily offers? The Thursday before, I don't make offers. And the reason I don't make an offer is because they're getting ready the very next day to get my very best offer, which is the 25% off. So if I was to offer them 15%, then that offer is not going to go to them on Friday, and they're going to be a whole lot more apt to purchase 25% off than what they would be 15% off, right? And this idea is to make a burst of sales. Now you do what you can afford, you do what is right for you, but this is what I do. I do 25% off and I don't give a shipping discount on that day. Okay, then on Friday, when I make the 25% offers to likers, I do it for the last 14 days. So this is going to be the second offer for most period in that 2-week period, or most people in that 2-week period. So they will have received 2 offers. Now, what is my tiered sale? On Friday, I offer 25% off to all likers in the last 14 days. So basically, they're kind of like getting first dibs. Then to appease more activity on my closet on Saturday, to not only make sales through my likers, but get new likes and more attention to my closet, I have a second level to that sale. So now I'm going to give 25% off to any item in my closet that has a like, period, no matter when they liked it. So see, now this is catching however many likes this item has caught, okay, from the past. As long as I've met that 10% extra discount we talked about earlier, then they're gonna get that offer. Then on Sunday, late in the evening, I use offer to likers. Or no, I'm sorry, not offers likers, closet clear out. I use closet clear out on Sundays, and I drop my prices to 35% off on just the items I really want to see go. Sometimes even 40% off. Like if it's just an item that's been there for 6 months or a year, you're just sick of seeing it. You think, well, okay, I only have a couple dollars in this. I can really come way down on that price. Then that's what I use Sundays for. Now, keep in mind, this next 2 weeks, I'm spending a lot of time delisting and relisting all these items because I've exhausted all the offers to all these likers, right? Okay, you guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'm even happy to have like a Zoom call with you or whatever needs to happen to explain this because I do know it's very detailed and kind of complex. Well, I really appreciate you watching. And again, if you have any questions, just let one of us know on our group and or right here on YouTube. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us on our journey to making a better Poshmark and lots more sales. Bye bye.